Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, fellow tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters, and you can find us online at thetreeplanters.com. I am about to show you a gigantic oak tree that we just finished phase 2 on. Phase 1 was about 5 weeks ago when we came out and cut all the top roots. Today we dug the tree and put a dirt ball on it. So I'm going to walk up close to it so you can just get an idea of this tree. This tree is 24 inches in diameter and the dirt ball is 16 feet in diameter. So we dug the tree and then put a dirt ball on it, which consists of burlap wrapped with wire, and then we put dirt around 4 corners of the tree to hold it up because this tree is capable of blowing over. That would be a disaster. This is an expensive tree, a beautiful tree, and we don't want to lose it. So I'm just going to back away from it so you can get a better idea of just what we have here. This tree is about 60 feet wide and 50 feet tall. It's a live oak. Live oaks are capable of being wider than they are tall. Pardon me for walking in reverse, but I wanted to back up and just show you the tree. It's a beauty. When we move this tree, we won't move it until the end of the year, but when we move it, we will pick it up and set it down on a flatbed trailer, drive it up to the front of this ranch and plant it. This ranch is on the new part of Highway 56 in northeast Tampa, which is called New Tampa. And the ranch was sold to a developer. We've got about a dozen of these trees that we are moving. I'm proud of this. This is not something many people can do. You may never meet again someone that can do this, transplant a tree this big. And I'm not the best. I'm the best in my category, but there are companies that do bigger trees than this, and what they do is outstanding also. So again, I'm Joel Mizell. We've been in Central Florida for 50 years, selling and transplanting large, rare, and exotic palms and trees. You can go to our website, thetreeplanters.com, contact me there, and I'll talk to you about your tree needs.